Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I just want to take you along in making this delicious breakfast of fried plantain and the egg sauce. So I've started by washing and slicing my plantain. This is a well-ripe plantain that I'm using for this. After cutting the plantain or slicing the plantain, I'll go ahead, add little salt to it, and then we go ahead and fry them. So we have our eggs. I've already cracked 3 eggs. And I have chopped onions, pepper, and some tomatoes, which I'm going to use. So let's get started with the egg sauce. So add little salt into the egg and whisk it. That done, let's start frying it or making the sauce, egg sauce. I'm adding some of the oil I use in frying the plantain. Use 3 tablespoons of the oil. Using one seasoning cube, a little thyme, a little powder powder. It is cut by garlic. That pepper is not enough. A little dry pepper. No, that's okay. Our egg sauce is ready. Fried plantain checked. Egg sauce checked. Dish out. Loading. Mmm, this is yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Hmm. Thank you. This is ready. Let's go and eat. Our delicious egg sauce and fried plantains are ready for our breakfast. You can also enjoy this with a cup of hot chocolate or coffee or tea or any drink of choice. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.